Ghana, our population is about 30 million, right? 30 million, sorry. So it means 13% is over like 65,000 there. You know.
I went online. I was checking online there. I saw the program. IT professionals from all levels. We used to have. Usually I teach like let's say for 24 hours, and the 24 hours the amount I will teach in the team. I sometimes also go to some meetings. Apart from that, so I think the rise of CSS, but they don't transition. These are the things that you need.
What he says, quite a lot. Is everyone has plans for Africa.
Ghana, our population is about 30 million, right? 30 million, sorry. So it means 13% is over like 65,000 days. Yes. And mental health comes in a lot of ways. Well, I would say maybe also, but.
It's not really well. Okay, good. So, diverse for everyone has been feeling good. That's why you have to.
Whenever you are browsing the web, all you are doing is for interacting with hyperlinks.
These big companies that have got their own terms, like Netflix and AI, that lens from tons of data, that's thousands of tons of data.
That's on the first of time, like I was just saying. Right? Then the process is guided by
Superman, faculty examiner. I will not be here as a
Head, eye, nose, eyes. Thank you so much. Just anyway. DevFest Kumasi.